Sunglasses need to be fixed sometimes when the screw is loose and it keeps falling out. See how you can repair them quickly. Before getting started, make sure you have some tools around, such as pliers and a screwdriver. Line up the two pieces of the hinge. Apply 1 drop of glue to the inside of the hinge by gently squeezing the sides of the bottle. For precision jobs like this, make sure you use a precision bottle which delivers just 1 drop when and where it's needed. Carefully line up the screw on the threads, then screw it in quickly within a few seconds. The glue now acts as a thread locker and will hold the screw in place. That's it. Put on your glasses and off you go.